An Enigma, guys.
If he really wants some
Look at that shit.
that's worth the money.
Remember this guy?
I'm gonna look it up on Wizard.
All the puzzles. Your
I'm gonna
blue
go lay down. I'll keep the cat.
friend, the Enigma, right? The kitty cat.
Oh,
Where's a kitty kitty? Where's a
Are
kitty?
you going to bed already again?
Who's
No,
that
I got
kitty?
some tuna fish. Okay. You got some
Serena Rose. Is that
tuna?
the? Am I reading that
Can I
right?
give it to the kitty?
Freaky
The
fun.
Tippy? You love Tippy, huh? Kid.
Serena Rose.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. See the hologram
Check
part?
that shit out, guys. Check it out, dude.
This is like 1994.
Mother of mine.
92, actually.
Mother of
Oh,
mine.
that's trippy. This one's from 1992. Look at that.
Oh shit, guys.
X Factor with the hologram card on it.
God, dude.
So
Why don't
dope.
you post it on Craigslist? and shit?
No way. That's gold. That's treasure. It's going in the. It's going in the war chest.
Look how dope it looks. Look at
This
it.
is the war chest.
Whoa.
$100.
Dude, yeah, that's second grade
Look at
or
this. Look at
fifth
it.
grade right
The
there.
fucking hologram card's so dope.
1992,
It's
baby.
92. Yeah.
92 with the hologram, son. Whoa, that's rad, dude.
What do you know about this fucking?
Wow, that's
technology,
fucking
son?
sick,
Savage
dude.
Dragon.
Yeah, it's
This is
legit.
fucking even older.
I mean,
So it's 25 years old.
dude, you need to put this back in the
Enter the
past,
Savage
buddy.
Dragon. You don't fucking know shit about this motherfucker, too.
25 years old.
The Savage Dragon. Look at that
Enter the
mohawk,
Savage-
dude.
It's dope.
Is that a mohawk or is that
Yeah,
a fin?
it's fucking the Savage Dragon.
Oh, shit,
This
it's a
shit
mohawk
is sick.
and a fin. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy. Right?
This is more just paper, like, this is old. Look at this fucking Iron Man. It's got Iron Man up in there and shit. Just look at this. The fucking printing on here. Look at the printing. Like, look. Just look at the it's like,
That's rad, dude. Yeah.
it's got fucking like.
That's old style
Dude, it's
fucking
so dope,
printing
dude.
press shit, dude. That's not digital laser printer.
It's like fucking
Newsprint.
like ink stamp.
That's like newspaper fucking
Like
newsprint.
it's drawn. It's not even fucking.
Crazy, man.
Like it's the same as this shit.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Fuck yeah.